tutorial we are going to learn about how to draw a tree house in Photoshop with few tools. Here I just made some animation through After Effects. Let's get started. So here I have my almost rough sketch. Initially just draw straight lines with slight angles like I'm doing. It's just to make sure the basic structure. Now try to give the shapes based on those baselines, like it has some rough roofs, rough tiles. You don't need to do much detail as it's a cartoon kind of scene. We don't have to do any detail work here, okay? If you want, you can do this. So it's a cartoon background, so we can have this simple with few lines that I'm doing. Try to make smaller roof for the entrance. Actually for house we all are using simple straight lines. Just there's a little bit of difference of angles, but all are straight lines, okay? So our sketch is ready now. It's time to color. I'm selecting lasso tool for color. So first take a new layer. Remember to put the color layer below to the outline sketch layers, okay? So we can see the outline each and every time. Now select the parts one by one, and for each part create a new layer. Then hit the color. As it's a big tree, so it has big mushrooms too. So if you want to add something extra to give it a nice fantasy look, you can add this, like mushrooms, like a different kind of mushrooms, or like some lightings, some flowers, whatever. While selecting with lasso tools, try to swap between the lasso tool options. Usually I choose the add selection options, but sometimes I use the subtract option too. It's depending on your work process actually, okay? So now it's time to add shadings. If you are choosing soft round brush, it will give you a nice blending effect that you will easily find your work immediately beautiful after using it, okay? So choose soft round brush and hit the transparent lock option on the layer panel so that our color won't get outside from the objects. If you are confused about color selection, just choose the darker version of the shading for the shadowy area. Now make some detailings with just adding some lines. As it's a wooden texture, make sure to do some rough semi-curved lines. You don't need to give it any kind of straight lines here. You can just add some kind of simple lines. So this part will going to take few time from you, but it will give you a nice beautiful finishing to your drawing, okay? That's all for today guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed my video. If you do so, please hit the like button, and if you are new and want to know about art and want to learn step-by-step art process in digital drawing and hand drawings both, then please do subscribe our channel. And of course, if you have anything in your mind, any question related to art, You can ask me on the comment section below. I will see you on my next video. Till then,